Hi, I'm Ben from Macquarie Garage Doors, your local garage door specialist. Today, we're going to be looking at coding new remote controls into the latest Merlin Evo range motors. These coding instructions are good across the board for all of Merlin's remote controls, including the Merlin E943M visor remote, the Merlin E945M bear claw, and the Merlin E950M slider remote. However, we're going to be focusing on the Merlin E960M Premium Plus remote control. Today, we're going to be looking at programming a new remote control into your Merlin sectional garage door operator. These instructions are good for the Merlin MT60 Evo Power Race, the Merlin MT110 MyQ Commander motor, and the Merlin MT100 Evo Tiltmaster, which we're working on today. This is an easy process and is done in just a few simple steps. The first step is to remove the dust cover from the rear of the motor, which exposes the inside buttons. Second step is to push in the yellow Learn button on the inside for approximately 1 second. An orange LED indicator will appear inside the motor to show it's been pushed in. The next step is to push in the button of your choice for approximately 2 seconds. You'll notice that the LED light on the front of the motor blinks to show that it's been successful. The third step, push your button that you've programmed in and the door will operate. If you have any questions about this product or any of the other products in our large garage door range, please find us on Facebook by searching Macquarie Garage Doors to send us a message. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe just below here for more ideas and tips about garage doors brought to you by Macquarie Garage Doors.